walked into the lavender sea. Purple dreams were calling me. The wind carried a gentle perfume, like a promise under the moon. Flowers dance with every breath, beauty daring love to test. Her eyes were brighter than the dawn. In that field my heart was drawn. Lavender, singing in the air. She was standing unaware that her smile bloomed like the sun. Two beauties now become one. Lavender, you set me free. You wrote our love in poetry. The sky turned violet gold, a secret story to unfold. Her voice melted in the breeze, a sacred moment made to keep. Lavender, painting destiny. In her grace I found the key. Love began with just one glance. In the flowers we dared to dance, to dance.